चलिए देखिए, क्लास 9 का हम लोग पोलोनोमियल डिस्कस कर रहे थे आर.एस. अग्रवाल का। देखो पोलोनोमियल वगैरह हम आपको समझा दिए थे कि पोलोनोमियल क्या है, पोलोनोमियल्स वगैरह में पढ़ना क्या है। वो तो हम लोग स्टेप बाय स्टेप जब हम लोग एक्सरसाइज वगैरह डिस्कस करेंगे तो वहाँ आपको आइडिया मिल जाएगा। तो सबसे पहले देखो एक्सरसाइज 2A आर.एस. अग्रवाल आप निकाल लो और रेडी हो जाओ। ठीक, सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर आपको किसी चीज़ से फैमिलियर नहीं रहोगे तो आई विल हैंडल दिस, ओके। तो कीप पेशेंस। तो सबसे पहले देखो क्या करना है। सबसे पहले एक्सरसाइज 2A में क्या दिया है, इसमें दिया है कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशन आर पोलोनोमियल, इन केस ऑफ पोलोनोमियल राइट इट्स डिग्री। देखो सबसे पहले पोलोनोमियल आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं और पोलोनोमियल आप फैमिलियर हो, आप 8 में भी पढ़े थे, 9 में भी हम आपको एक लेक्चर में बताए थे। अगर आप इस लेक्चर को देख रहे हो तो इससे पहले आपको पीछे जाकर देख लेना है लेक्चर, ठीक, क्योंकि आप फैमिलियर हो जाओगे तो थोड़ा क्या होता है ना कि आपका बेसिक अगर आपको पता है तो थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस रहता है और आपको होप भी रहेगा, ठीक ना। नहीं तो आप होपलेस हो जाओगे, कुछ आइडिया नहीं मिलेगा तो फिर आप लेक्चर को देखोगे नहीं और फिर इंटरेस्टेड नहीं रहोगे। तो कीप पेशेंस एंड कीप ट्राई। हाँ, लेट्स बिगिन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशन आर पोलोनोमियल, इन केस ऑफ पोलोनोमियल राइट इट्स डिग्री। इसमें बताना है कि पोलोनोमियल है तो डिग्री बताओ, और डिग्री हम लोग जानते हैं कि डिग्री क्या होता है, हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल। तो सबसे पहले हम कुछ एग्जांपल लिख देते हैं, आप देखकर बताना कि पोलोनोमियल है कि नहीं है, ठीक, और उसके बाद डिग्री बता देना। इसमें देखिए आपका जो चैप्टर इंट्रोडक्शन दिए थे उसी पर बात होगा। आगे जैसे जैसे धीरे धीरे पढ़ोगे तो आइडेंटिटी वगैरह मिलेगा, फैक्टराइजेशन मिलेगा, उस पर भी हम लोग बात बढ़िया से करेंगे। आपको आर.एस. अग्रवाल पूरा लगा लोगे तो कहीं ना कहीं आपका अलजेब्रा स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा। सबसे पहले देखो पहला क्वेश्चन लिखते हैं, x की पावर 5 माइनस 2x³ प्लस x प्लस √3, दिस इज गिवन दैट पोलोनोमियल और नॉट। You check, identify, this is polynomial. Yes. How to check? तो already told you several times, 1000 times. If you see only variable, if you given polynomial or not polynomial, then first of all we have to see that variable and then variable power. Variable power belong to whole number, that is polynomial. Here is variable, this is power whole number, this is variable power whole number, this is variable power 1, or this is constant independent of x power 0. This is polynomial, okay. So this is only question not asking polynomial, question also asking degree. So degree is what? Degree you know familiar, degree means highest variable of power. Here is power is 5, highest power 5 3 1 0. This is the highest value of 5. This is the degree is 5. Understand or not? I hope you understood very well. Let's go another example I will take. Here is x power minus 2 plus 2x power minus 1, or here is plus 3. So you check, also identify this is polynomial or not polynomial. Yes, this is not polynomial, because I have reasoned that here is variable, this is the minus 2, this is the minus 1, here is doesn't matter, yes or no, here is minus 2, this is not belong to whole number, therefore it is not polynomial. Understand or not? Yes, sir. So you can't identify degree because this is not polynomial. Okay, understand? Let's another example I will take. Here is x power 100 minus 1. You also check, this is the polynomial. Yes, understand? This is the power 100, this is the belong whole number, this is the variable base, or this is the whole power, okay. This is polynomial. Suppose I am asking this only, this is also polynomial, this is polynomial or not, this is also polynomial, constant polynomial, okay. So only question ask, question number 1, this type of question ask, yes, polynomial or degree identify, okay. Let's another example I will take. Some question given that here is x square by 2 minus 2 by x square. Okay, this is polynomial or not polynomial? I know, or you also know very well, this is not polynomial.
Yes, sir.
So how to check?
X square ऊपर जाएंगे.
This is the x square by 2, doesn't matter, but 2 into x power minus 2. Here is 1 upon x square, we can write x power minus 2. Okay, doesn't matter, but here is not fulfill of definition of polynomial. Therefore, will not say this is not polynomial. Understand? Good. I will take another example. Understand or not? This is not polynomial. So then I can determine degree. If you define polynomial and then also polynomial given, and then after that you go to tell degree. Understand? Good. Okay, then I will take also example. Here is 3, this is a 3 cube, 3, suppose this type of question, and here is this type of question. So then what we can write? What can we write? Here is 8 power 1 by 3, but here is 3 multiply 8. These both are different.
Yes.
Are you familiar or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are familiar. Okay, then this type of 2x square minus 8. Okay, this is the under root 2 into x square minus 8. What this is polynomial or not polynomial? This is not polynomial. How to say this is polynomial? Because 3 radical to under root 2 and x square minus 8. This is the 2. Yes, this is polynomial or not polynomial? Yes, this is polynomial. Understand? This is the not variable. Only this value. This is the coefficient of this. Yes, this is the coefficient. It could be anything. Doesn't matter coefficient what is given or not given.
Only
Yes,
variable.
this is only you can see variable. Okay, doesn't matter. This is the coefficient of this value. This is the number system of value.
Yes, sir.
This is the number system of value, means rational or irrational. It could be any number. Understand? What happened? No problem. This is the naming.
No name.
Okay, no problem. It's okay.
Number 92.
Yes, no problem. Here is. Finish? Going on?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Yes, see, this is the polynomial, this is the x square, or this is the 2 power 1 by 3. This is simplified this value. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is polynomial. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So what is degree of this polynomial?
2.
Yes, this is the 2. Okay. Now let's another example I will take. Understand, mister?
Yes, sir. Very.
What is going on this time?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You proceed. Okay. So then question number 1, leave it this question. Yes. Let's go another take question. Identify constant linear quadratic cubic or quadratic polynomial from the following. Means some example, some question given that, but question asking constant. Constant means don't having fixed value. Sorry, having fixed value. Or this is the linear means what? Linear means highest power 1. Highest power of
The variable is
yes. Highest power of variable means degree is 1. Degree is 1 equal linear. Or quadratic means highest degree is 2. Or cubic means highest degree is 3. Or quadratic polynomial from the following. Matlab this type of question only ask. So here is you identify. Okay. Let me ask to You
Yes, sir.
see, minus 7 plus x. This is the linear.
Yes, sir.
Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
This is the linear. What is constant in this polynomial?
-7.
Minus 7. Yes, this is the constant is minus 7, or this is the linear polynomial.
Yes, sir.
This polynomial of what is the given rate of this polynomial of degree?
Degree 1.
Degree is 1. Okay. Yes, degree is 1. Let's another take 6y. This is the linear polynomial.
Yes, sir.
This is the monomial. If I ask how many terms in this polynomial, here is monomial. This is the binomial.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Okay. But here is linear polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Or this is the constant. Or what is given the degree of this polynomial?
Yes, sir. 1.
Why are you laughing? This is the 1. Okay. Understand or not? Suppose minus zq. Minus zq. This is the linear polynomial or cubic polynomial, या biquadratic polynomial, या quadratic polynomial.
Cubic.
Yes, this is the cubic polynomial. Cubic means what? Higher degree 3. Here is higher degree is 3 given that. This is the monomial. Monomial means only one term. Okay, this is the polynomial or not polynomial? Yes, this is the cubic polynomial. Understand? A degree is 3, constant is 0.
Yes, sir.
Here it has constant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the constant only 0.
Yes, sir.
Because this is the adding 0, that doesn't matter, doesn't change polynomial. Yes. But yes. See, look there. 1 minus y cube. You identify also. 1 minus y cube. What is polynomial?
Cubic.
Cubic. Yes, this is the cubic. But this is the trinomial term.
Yes.
Trinomial means this or this or this.
Yes.
Not like term. Also dislike. Here is dislike. Not adding each other, because this is the cubic, this is the linear, this is the constant. Okay, but whole polynomial, what say? This is the cubic polynomial. Or degree is 3. Understand?
Yes, sir.
This is the only asking question. Or constant, what is constant? Also constant is 1. Okay, okay. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
This is a very, very simple question. Okay. Let's minus 13 given that. This is the constant polynomial.
Yes, sir.
This is a constant polynomial, independent of variable. Here is not, it has no variable here in this polynomial, but constant polynomial, you know familiar constant polynomial. Constant polynomial means independent of variable. Here is it hasn't variable. Here is minus 13. Okay, this is the constant polynomial, or this is the monomial. Monomial means
Only one term.
only one term. Okay. This is the minus p given that. This is the minus p given that. This is the minus p. What is polynomial? This is the linear polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I ask p of coefficient, this is a minus 1.
-1.
Okay. If I ask minus 1 coefficient of p, which type of polynomial here?
Linear.
Linear. Which type of how many terms in this polynomial?
Monomial.
Monomial. Okay. So this is only question say. Okay. So then question 2 done, and 3 you see. Question 3 what say? Question 3, Mr. Amjad, you sit on chair. Yes, you sit. Yes, Mr. Question number 3. What is asking question? The coefficient of x cube in x plus 3x square minus 5x cube plus x square. Means question asking coefficient of x cube, but polynomial is given that. Okay. So this is not only answer to x cube coefficient asked. If you another thing see, okay. Here is x plus 3x square minus 5x cube plus x4. This is the cubic polynomial or biquadratic or linear? What say? Biquadratic. Biquadratic means what? Biquadratic means degree is 4. Here is degree is 4. Here is degree is 4. This is the quadrinomial term. Quadrinomial means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 term. It has 4 term. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So first of all, what question ask? Question ask x cube of asking. Coefficient of x cube.
-5.
So x cube coefficient of asking. So this is the -5 here. So this is the -5. Only answer you have. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But if I ask myself,
Yes.
yes, what is constant of this polynomial?
0.
This is the 0. If I ask coefficient of x,
Yes, sir.
what say?
1.
This is the 1. If I ask x square of coefficient,
3.
this is the 3. If I ask x power 4 coefficient,
1.
yes, this is the very simple Loda question. Okay, then let's go another take. Okay, Mr. Amjad, you also, Mr. Amjad.
Understand?
Yes, good. So I will take another polynomial, but see, Mr. This is the pi by 2 x square or plus 7x minus 2 by 5 coefficient into y. Sorry, pi. Okay. This is a polynomial or not polynomial? First of all, if I ask this is polynomial, so we need to say this is the polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, this is the polynomial. Okay. I have told you several times how to identify polynomial.
Variable power is whole number.
You can't say, suppose this is the not polynomial given that, or someone asked to you, what is degree of this polynomial? But first of all, we need to understand this is polynomial or not polynomial. If you understand polynomial, then identify this is degree or not degree. Okay? Degree is only, degree is always unique value. Only one polynomial given, so only it has only one degree,
Yes, sir.
not more than one. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Keeping that mind. Okay. See. Pi by 2x square plus 7x minus 2 by 5 into pi. Or this is question asking constant term.
-2 by 5 pi.
Yes, this is a constant. Minus 2 by 5 pi. Yes, minus 2 by 5 pi. This is a constant. Or familiar pi approx value 22 by 7. Here is decimal form 3.14.
This is constant.
Mensuration you have studied earlier class.
Yes.
Or in this time also, after some time later I will discuss surface area and volume in this chapter, in this class. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is pi value 22 by 7 and approximation 3.14. This is the non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. This is the irrational number.
Yes.
This is, if I ask which type of decimal form here, so this is the fraction form, p by q form. But 22 by 7 you do convert decimal form, then you got it non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. So what say, which type of number ask? The only ask yes sir, I have answer sir, this is the irrational number. Okay, so here is constant term. This is the constant term. Means constant means what? Independent variable of this. Okay, not variable of this term. Yes, you can see or not? Yes, you can see. Good. Let's go another example I will take.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good.
Only yes, sir.
You are comfortable English or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. If you not understand, then not problem. If you understand, then we will go continue this class. Okay? Good. See, mister. Question number 4, first of all, you read about, yes, I will read and also first of all you read before. Okay? Yes. Determine the degree of each of the following polynomial. This is only same thing question asking.
Repeating.
But family, this is a polynomial maybe apart from other question. This is the, what is polynomial given at? I will show you. This is the 4x minus 5x square plus 6x cube upon में 2x. So you only familiar, sir, if you see any time variable denominator you can see, so not only directly say, sir, this is not polynomial. First of all, many times told you simplify. First of all, whatever given that polynomial, we have to do that. Okay? After simplify and then you can see this is polynomial or not polynomial. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So here is, see, 4x minus 5x square plus 6x cube upon में 2x. So, but we write this. Here is, this is the partially,
Yes, sir.
this is the monomial.
Yes, sir.
What I am doing, understand or not? What I am doing, because this, you know, polynomial, I know, you are very well understood. Okay? So here is 4x by 2x minus 5x square upon में 2x plus 6x cube upon में 2x. Okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I ask 4x minus 5x square or plus 6x cube upon में x plus 1. If I ask this is polynomial or not polynomial, so only you have reason, sir, this is not polynomial. Because suppose if I write this
Minus.
x plus 1 and then 5x square upon में x plus 1 or 6x cube upon में x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So not simplify this value. This is the not polynomial. This is the not polynomial. This is the not polynomial. Whole not polynomial. Here is only monomial. Then this divide and this divide. So what we got here is, this is cancel 2 to the 4. This is the 2. Yes, this is the plus 2. Sorry. This is the x. This is the 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 into x. This is coefficient of x minus 5 by 2. And here is 2 3 ja 6. Here is x square. This is the 3x square. Now you can see this is polynomial or not polynomial. Yes, this is the polynomial. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, whatever question ask, if you given polynomial, I would recommend, first of all, we have to do that. Okay? Then after simplify, then expression you can see this is polynomial or not polynomial. Okay or not? Here is, this is the polynomial. But question ask, what question ask? This is polynomial asking. Yes, this is polynomial and then after asking degree. Yes. So what is degree of this polynomial?
2.
This is the 2. This is the 2. Which type of polynomial here?
Quadratic.
Quadratic polynomial. How many terms polynomial here? These are 3 terms. Understand or not? Mr. Jayat. Yes, tell me. Yes, bolo.
Yes.
Yes, good. Mr. Jayad, are you comfortable? Yes, bolo. I comfortable, sir. Yes, good. Okay, mister. Let's go another take. One more. Question number 4th. Exercise 2A. Okay. Did you open book or not? If you not open book, then not understand very well. I would recommend to before the class, first of all, book open. Otherwise, not understand very well. Okay? This is not orally, not only lecture you can see. Yeah, you have seen, but after no understanding very well. Yes? See, this is the क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th 6 x power -2 और here is x power 4 plus x square. Okay, this is question asking polynomial or not polynomial. So already you know number system, you have study. Yes, very well. Or class 8 exponent and power, all rule familiar. Okay or not?
Yes.
Maybe 7 rule or 6 rule, exponential form or not. Here is x power -2. What we can write? What can write?
1 upon x square. 1 upon x square.
Yes, 1 upon x square. Here, this is the multiply. This is the x power 4 plus x square. Okay? It's give result this. Here is this divide by this divide it. Okay? By upon 1, taking 1, no problem. Whole multiply this. So this is the x power 4 plus x square, or this multiply this. What he got? You got this is the x square. Same thing before this question. Whatever we have done, okay or not? So this divide this x power 4 upon x square plus x square by x square. Here is x square. This is power 4. This is power 2. Cancel each other. Or here is 1. Loading each other. Understand? This is the x square plus 1. This is the quadratic polynomial. Understand? This is the quadratic polynomial. This is the degree 2. I hope you understood very well. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Understand? This is the -8 asking question. This is polynomial or not? Yes, this is the polynomial. Yes, mister, what? Not understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay.
I
Yes, tell me. Not clear?
No, I create something.
Yes. A -8 here is given it. -8 is given it. Okay? This is the constant polynomial.
Yes.
If I ask what is the degree of this polynomial?
0.
Yes, this is the degree is 0. Okay?
Yes.
Any constant given, our question ask what is degree of this polynomial? What is degree of constant polynomial? So only answer you have, this is the 0. Okay? Understand? Okay. Question number 4th we have done. Okay? Let's another, we'll take question number 5th. Understand? Good, very good. Mr. Siva. Doesn't matter language, mister. Okay? जो मैं सीख गया वो कुछ भी समझ सकता है. समझ गए? इंग्लिश कोनो बड़ी बात नहीं है. आई विल शो यू. यस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th आई विल रीड. Yes. Don't remember sentence. If you remember sentence, don't think this is not good, Babu. You think
Yes, sir.
you have more potential. Anytime you think, whatever think or comes in mind, and then tell me something. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Question number 5th. Give an example of monomial of degree is 5. This is what question say. Give an example of monomial of degree 5.
Yes, sir.
What degree 5? Monomial asking question. So let's, this is the x power 5.
Plus 1.
This is a monomial asking, mister.
Acha, monomial.
This is a monomial means one term given.
Okay, sir.
This is not binomial asking.
ठीक है.
X power 5, A power 5,
Y power 5, Z power 5.
Z power 5. What 2 power 5 or not? This is not.
No.
This is a constant polynomial. But degree means only, always you can see variable anytime. Okay? This is not variable. So how can say this is degree 5? No. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is the monomial polynomial or it has degree is 5. Okay? Yes. See, I will take another, give an example of binomial of degree 8. So binomial we can think.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
X power 8 plus 2, x power 3 plus 3. Y power 8 plus 3.
Yes, y power 8 plus a power 5. Doesn't matter.
Yes.
This is binomial.
Yes, sir.
What confusion?
No.
Okay. Y power 8 plus 1. This is binomial or it has degree. It has degree. It has degree. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, mister, is it? Here is y power 8 plus 1. This is the binomial polynomial,
Yes, sir.
or it has degree is 8. Okay, so this is only example question asked. Okay, yes. Okay, another you will take, give an example of trinomial of degree 4. Degree is 4.
Yes.
So you can think, what think? Trinomial term.
So x power 4 plus x power 3 plus 1.
Yes, x power 4, x cube plus x square, or this is plus 1? No.
No, sir, only 1, not
This is the trinomial term asking.
Yes, sir.
This is the trinomial, 3 term, or it has degree of 4, this polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes,
Good.
easy.
So this is only question asked. So 5 also we have done. Okay. So next you go proceed question number 6 of this exercise, last question.
Yes.
Okay. So we will take question number 6. Mister, why are you standing? No, no, no. You sit. No, you sit. Not disturb. You sitting, mister, peacefully. Yes. Yes. Let's read about. Rewrite each of the following polynomial in extended form.
Oh, yes, sir.
This is the standard form, means this is the arranging term of power.
Yes, sir. In the form of power.
Yes. First of all, I will read. I will write this question, and then see. Yes, mister. Yes, this is the polynomial is
Yes, sir.
given that this is polynomial. Yes, no confusion.
No, sir.
So what question asking? I will read another time. Rewrite each of the following polynomial in a standard form. Standard form means what?
In the
Yes, tell me.
like general form.
Yes, a general form. Okay.
English word.
Means according to power.
Yes.
Arrange this polynomial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here is no. This is the x square. This is the x cube. Sorry. This is the x cube. So first of all, first term
5x cube
5x cube. Here is minus 2x square
square
plus x plus 8. This is the standard form.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is the only question asking. Understand, mister?
Yes, sir.
So we have done exercise 2A. Okay?
Yes, sir. Second part.
Okay. Let's go another exercise we will take. Are you comfortable or not? Yes. Question exercise 2B. First of all, open, and then I will read. We have done exercise 2A. No.